Here we go. So, we have the Respawn Remedial Double-Speaking Lion Sewer Rat guns a-blazing out of the gate Aether argument from FED episode 1702 from 8 months ago.
Well, we have electromagnetic waves that we can show, and either it has a medium that it's waving through, or it's waving through nothing, which is an asinine claim.
So we have electromagnetic waves, which this thinks is light, waving through a something medium because they can't wave through nothing. Therefore, his something medium is ether. Then he gets a bit more specific.
Basically, if you have a vacuum chamber, which it does still have some molecules in it, right? But you have all kinds of electromagnetic fluctuations that you can measure and detect within that. And so it's like, what's the energy traveling through?
Now we have a vacuum chamber, you know, the ones we trip over when we walk around in nature, with electromagnetic fluctuations in it, which this idiot considers light. And his question proof for his retard ether is, what's the energy traveling through? Let me say that again. His question proof for his retard ether is, what's the energy traveling through? You got that? Some more light traveling to support his idiot ether claim, so there's no mistake.
No, just based on antecedent relationship. Like,
Sorry,
it's just
what was the phenomena
framework,
studied in this highly scientific parlor trick? What was the phenomena studied?
The difference in travel of light. The difference in travel of light. The difference in travel of light.
Did you get that up to this point?
Told me what proved it was the travelling through it. Now you're saying it doesn't travel, so that doesn't prove it then, does it?
No.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't prove ether. You've lied to an entire community of people. You total scumbag. Now you so nonchalantly say no. No, it doesn't prove the thing you're trying to prove with it. You butter. You disgust me.
You're a clown, dude.
Okay, so that's a straw man. What I actually
It's your claim!
Like fear in his voice, his quivering, tightening throat. He knows he's been caught in his bullshit lies.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a straw man. My actual position is that
You hear the fear?
You're done.
Can you hear how terrified this look is? That's because he's lied to all of you. Don't give Witsit money. Ostracize this scumbag liar from your community. Remove him from your lives. He'll just lie to you again, and he's about to lie to us now. That's what liars do. Like NASA lied to you, Witsit will start lying to you now. He's just here to scam you out of money with this fraud about ether and how it travels through mediums. There can't be no thing. Liar.
I've said light does not travel for many
So
years,
it's
long
not
before.
travelling through a vacuum proving ether then, you lying scumbag. He's still here. Pack your bags and get out of flat earth. You're not welcome, and I'll make that abundantly clear every time your name's mentioned. I'll point out your lies. Do you hear me?
Yeah, he hears you.
Go, get lost, leave flat earth. We don't want deceivers here. We've had enough of them. That's why we left the globe. So we wouldn't be deceived by scumbags punting lies about ether. We double speak that when they're caught red-handed doing, they go, oh, well, no, that doesn't prove ether. No, it doesn't, does it? Yet making you an outright abject scumbag liar that doesn't deserve to be in the company of flat earthers. So get out!
If we have a vacuum chamber and there's some atoms,
Whoa. Where'd you get the vacuum chamber from?
we built a box.
Yeah, it's man-made. Where do you find a vacuum in nature?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, yes, it does. That's what we're talking about. We're talking the nature of our reality.
Yeah, so what's around whatever is, if you pull as much gas pressure as you can out of the box, what's in the area there is no gas pressure?
There's still, you can't have a perfect vacuum. There's still molecules in there.
What's around the molecules?
The space.
So what is space?
Length, width, and height. Length, width, and height. Length, width, and height.
So it's just a conceptual description of math?
Yeah, it's a conceptual description of space, yes.
So there's just math around the molecules?
Math? Where did I say math, moron? I'm the paterfamilias, and you know it. I'm not playing any.
You just said
fucking
space
games.
was math, bro. You just
I'm not
said
playing any games. Witsit. Now, since you train wrecked that, we want you to explain this contradiction. Are you ready?
No, when I say light doesn't have a speed, it's as in travel from point A to point B. Rate is still technically a speed, of course.
Yes, that's a contradiction. Rates of speed, yes.
So fair enough. I will yield that because my point is very specific. It doesn't have a speed as in travel from point A to point B. That is just an erroneous assumption.
I don't mind carrying on from like 10 months
You
ago.
see how scared he is to have an
Hey,
iron?
Witsit, how's it going? Hi, Witsit, I don't mind carrying on from here. So if it's not travelling through no thing, that's not proving ether then?
Oh, my whole point was that nothing cannot exist, and then
No. You told me that it was travelling through no thing, and you couldn't have no thing. It must be a thing to travel through, and that's what proved we had ether 10 months ago. Now we've got to the point where you're saying, I concede. So it's not proving... Is it just me or using your mute button on me when it comes to the conclusion of your double speak? I'll just try that once more. So it's not proving ether then, Witsit, because we're not going to describe how it travels through no thing, the vacuum, that would prove there's ether, because it's got to have something to travel through. So that crap that you peddled to me quite a few months ago does not prove ether then.
No, because that's a straw man of my position.
No. Right, so was that a no? It doesn't, does it, ether boy?
That's a straw man. So
sorry, it doesn't prove ether then. Your claim that light travels through the thing and the thing is ether, proven by the fact light travels through it. Now you're saying I don't claim it travels. The rate of illumination. Bullshit. So that doesn't prove ether then. Because you contradicted yourself. You yield to your shite that didn't prove ether then.
Unbelievable.
Okay, again, this is a straw man.
It's not a straw man, it's your claim!
Huey, stop. What's a straw man? You told me what proved it was the travelling through it. Now you're saying it doesn't travel, so that doesn't prove it then, does it?
No.
No, he's conceded his failure. Now shut the hell up, you deceitful little shit.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't prove ether. You've lied to an entire community of people. You total scumbag. Now you so nonchalantly say no. No, it doesn't prove the thing you're trying to prove with it. You bullshitter. You disgust me.
You're a fucking clown, dude.
Okay, so that's a straw man. What I actually...
It's your claim!
His fear in his voice, his quivering, tightening throat. He knows he's been caught in his bullshit lies.
Yeah.
He's been lying to the entire...
Or I'm around children, and I'm not insane like you are.
There we go with the ad homs.
Muting me like a bitch while I point out his utter deceit.
Yep.
He's deceived the entire community and now he's so nonchalant. No, it doesn't prove it's travelling through it. You bullshitting little scumbag. You've deceived the entire community and now you so nonchalantly just say no, and then fear comes into your voice where you tell me for the fourth time it's a straw man to the top of me telling you off. You're a deceitful little bullshitter, Witsit.
Okay, so this is a straw man. My actual position is that...
You hear the fear?
You're done.
Can you hear how terrified this little shit is? That's because he's lied to all of you. He's a liar.
He's
deceived the entire flat earth community with this shite. That's why he sounds so terrified. You're a scumbag liar. No, it doesn't prove it. It doesn't. You lied to everybody.
Yep. Yes, he did. Gilly Pong, the other white knight.
Get out of this community, Witsit. I don't want you in flat earth anymore. Turn your back and piss off. You're not wanted here. You're a scumbag, deceitful liar, telling people that how it travels through this medium proves it, but now it doesn't travel. Oh, no, that doesn't prove it then. So you've been lying to everyone, just like I've been telling them. Get out of this community.
Yeah.
Get out.
Make sure you go down there with the final experiment, too. Because you're a flat earth believer. At the very best, you're a flat earth believer.
You talking to flat earthers again, Witsit. So help me. You don't deserve to be talking to flat earthers. You're not one of us. You're just a liar. You're like that guy going to Antarctica. You're just a liar. You're here to lie about what proves ether. You've lied to me. In front of an entire community of people watching you lie. Now, a few months later, you're so happy to say, well, no, it doesn't prove it. So piss off and never come back.
Hey, hold on a second. We got the super shape shifting Mr. Magoo ether clown. Go ahead, booger.
He said super chat. Super. Tony Whitcomb sent Witsit. It all starts with this vacuum in nature that you will never have.
Witsit, you lied to me. Me personally.
Do you
The shit about it traveling, you claim proved it. It doesn't. You lied, Witsit, to me
Okay, so
and my community. Now I'm disgusted with you. Why are you still here?
okay,
Get
so
out.
these are all straw mans.
The difference in travel of light.
I never said that
Just
I
for
thought
it.
light travel. Straw mans. I've
they're
Flat
not. They're
Earth.
not straw men.
Leave flat Earth. You've lied to everyone and we've proven it. Taken friggin' years of your scorn from your stupid ether side, telling everyone I'm a scammer. You're the scammer. You've lied to everybody and we've proven it here today. Get out of this community. I never want to see you here again. You're nothing but scum. You're a deceitful scumbag liar. No, it didn't prove it, did it, Witsit? Well, you bullshitted everyone in my audience that it did, didn't you, you lying scum?
The difference in travel of light.
I never said that
Just
I
for
thought
it.
light travel.
Why are you still here? Pack your bags and get out of flat Earth. You're not welcome. And I'll make that abundantly clear every time your name's mentioned. I'll point out your lies. Do you hear me?
Yeah, he hears you.
Go. Get lost. Leave flat Earth. We don't want deceivers here. We've had enough of them. That's why we left the globe. So we wouldn't be deceived by scumbags punting lies about Aether. We double speak that when they're caught red-handed doing, they go, oh, well, no, that doesn't prove Aether. No, it doesn't, does it? Yet making you an outright abject scumbag liar that doesn't deserve to be in the company of flat earthers. So get out.
He ain't gonna go. He's got more sky grifting to do. There's no
Just
way
a
he's
con man, Witsit. You're just bleeding people dry for money. You're a con man. You are a fraud.
Yep.
Yeah? You are the scammer. What have you got to say for yourself? You lied when you said that them travelling through the medium. Bullshit.
Yeah.
It's the super shape shifting Mr. Magoo Ether Clown. Witsit.
Misfit FB 850 sent super bull crapper. I didn't. It's actually the other word, but I'm gonna say that because booger.
Don't give Witsit money. Ostracize this scumbag liar from your community. Remove him from your lives. He'll just lie to you again and is about to lie to us now. That's what liars do. Like NASA lied to you, Witsit will start lying to you now. He's just here to scam you out of money with his fraud about Aether and how it travels through mediums. There can't be no thing. Liar.
I've said light does not travel for many
So
years,
it's
long
not
before.
travelling through a vacuum proving Aether then, you lying scumbag.
I never said that
Just
I
for
thought
it.
light travel from
Just for
point A to
Hold
point
me
B.
The difference in travel of light.
I never said that
Just
I
for
thought
it.
light travel from
Just for
point A to
Hold
point
me
B.
personally.
I've
Don't
always said.
lie. Told me. You told me personally, you liar. How dare you?
Yep.
So after telling me that specifically, me personally, you're now going to tell me that you didn't say that? No, you've just been caught red-handed lying. Now I demand your ostracization from this community. I demand it. You get out of my community. Mine, not yours, scumbag.
Okay, we get
Zealot.
you're a narcissist. That's a you
Scumbag.
problem.
You are a fraud. You're a scammer. You're just lying to people about Aether, and we've proven it, and you've admitted it. No, it's not travelling, so your example about how it travels through the vacuum ain't proving it like you told us explicitly it did. You're an outright liar. I'm telling everybody listening never to give you any money, never